You can click on this Add Funnel option to create more upsell funnels depending upon different triggers. We also have the Manage Priority button, where you can set the funnel based on priority. Next, on the left-hand side, you can see the checkout page. Aftersell also allows you to customize the default Shopify checkout page. You can see these different widgets here. You can add these widgets into your checkout page to make it more attractive and conversion-friendly. By using the Upsell widget, you can show the upsells directly on your checkout page. These widgets can be really helpful to enhance the look and feel of your checkout page. But the only issue is that the checkout widgets don't work for all types of Shopify stores. These widgets only work on stores that are using Shopify Plus plans. So, if you are using Shopify Plus plans, these widgets can be really helpful for you. Alright, now it's time to check if the upsells are working or not. So, I will go to my online store and then select the product that I've selected for the upsell. To try the upsell, we need to enable a test payment on Shopify. So, I will go back to the dashboard and then go to Settings on the bottom left. Here, I'll go to Payments and then enable a test payment on this store. Alright, now I will again go to the online store and then select the dumbbells. I'll click on this Buy Now button, which will take me to the checkout page. Here, I will enter the contact details and other information. Since we are using a test payment gateway, you can enter some dummy details in these sections. And then I'll click on Pay Now button. And this will take me to the first upsell offer. On the top left, you can see that the purchase is already confirmed. And then we've got this upsell offer. You can see that all the changes that we made on the offer page are visible here. So, I will click on this Buy Now button. And this will take me to the second upsell offer. This is the second offer that we created in our main funnel. For now, I will decline this offer. And this will take me to the thank you page, and you can see that due to these upsells, the store has made an extra sale of $19. Okay, now I also want to check the downsell offer. So, I will click on this Continue Shopping button, which will take me to the store homepage. Here, I will click on this product once again. Next, I will click on this Buy Now button, fill in all the payment information here, and then confirm. This will again take me to the upsell page, but this time I will decline this offer. And since I declined the offer, it will take me to the downsell offer. I will simply add this on my test order. And now we are taken to our store thank you page, which means that the upsells and downsells are working perfectly fine. Now that we've set up the upsells, the next step for us would be to work on our store loading speed. You see, during the checkout process, we need to make sure that the store speed is very fast. A fast-loading Shopify store not only provides a good shopping experience, but also important to build trust with your customers. And I've created a detailed tutorial on how you can boost your Shopify store speed in just 4 simple steps.